Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to hide TikTok videos from someone. So first open TikTok app and head over to your profile at the bottom of the screen. Next, open the video you want to hide from that person. So select the video. Once you find the video, so tap the three dot menu on the side of the screen. Next, swipe through the available options and select privacy settings. So if the person you want to hide the video from isn't someone you follow back, you can change the visibility to friends. So select friends. So this means the video will only be visible to people who follow you and whom you also follow. So this is a simple way to limit who can see a TikTok video without having to delete the post. You can also toggle off allow comments if you want to, then tap the X button and it will be saved automatically. So again, just a quick recap, find the video you want to hide from that one person or from everyone. Click the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, then scroll through and look for privacy settings. Click on it, then select friends.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Or only you, depending on your preferences. And click X, and that's it. Next method you can do is you can also block that person. So open their profile, tap the arrow icon in the top right corner, and tap block at the bottom. Then click block again to confirm. And that person won't be able to see your videos or to follow you anymore. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.